Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to here Siddharth Lecture. So today we are going to discuss on can we write static public void main instead of public static void main? Let's start. Answer is yes. If you write static public void main instead of public static void main, then it will make no difference. Program compiles properly and runs. But if you change the sequence of main, then it will give you a compiler error. Let's see the meaning of each word in the public static void main. First, public. Public is an access specifier which defines who can access this method. Public means this method will be accessible by any class. If other classes are able to access this class, then it is public. Second, static. Static is the keyword which identifies the class related things. It means the given method or variable is not instance related but the class related. It can be accessed without creating the instance of a class. Third, void. Void is used to define the return type of the method. It defines what the method can return. Void means the method will not return any value. Fourth is main. Main is the name of method. This method name serves by the JVM as the starting point of an application with the particular signature only. And the last one is string args. String args is the parameter of main method. Here you can put any name instead of args. That's it.